name on your paper, first thing. Use your reading finger and let's read those directions together. Here we go. Make a math drawing and circle the part you know. Cross out the unknown part. Complete the number sentence and number bond. Here we go. Number 1. Kate made 7 cookies. Bill ate some. Now, Kate has 5 cookies. How many cookies did Bill eat? Well, we know that we started with 7 cookies. Bill ate some, and now Kate only has 5. Now the directions said to circle the part you know. So we know that Kate now has 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to circle these 5 because we know that that's how many cookies she has left. It says cross out the unknown part. That's the part that we don't know. That's what Bill ate. So how many did Bill eat? 2, right? So if we fill out our number bond, how many cookies did we have altogether to start? It says Kate made 7 cookies, so that's our whole. And then we knew that Kate had 5 cookies left. Then we crossed out the unknown part, and that was 2. So now we can write our subtraction sentence. 7 cookies minus the 5 cookies she still had equals the 2 cookies that Bill ate. So Bill ate blank cookies. He ate 2 cookies. Okay, here we go. Next one. On Monday, Tim had 8 pencils. On Tuesday, he lost some pencils. On Wednesday, he had 4 pencils. How many pencils did Tim lose? Well, we know that he started off with 8. And on Wednesday, there were only 4 left. Let's go ahead and draw our 8 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nothing fancy. Okay, so here's our 8 pencils. On Tuesday he lost some, and on Wednesday he had 4 pencils. So we know, we're going to circle the part we know that he's got 4 left. And then cross out what we don't know. Let's put this into a number bond. How many pencils did we start out with? 8, right? Down here in this part is what we know. We know that on Wednesday he had 4 pencils left. Over here is how many he lost. How many did he lose? 4, right? Tim lost 4 pencils. And how are we going to put these numbers into a subtraction sentence? Started off with 8. We had 4 pencils left. And that equals the 4 pencils he lost. Make sense? Okay, let's have you start doing some of this on your own now. We'll start it together and then you'll finish. Here we go. A store had 6 shirts on the rack. Now there are 2 shirts on the rack. How many shirts were sold? Well, started off with 6 shirts. Now there's only 2 left. So here's our 6 shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to circle the part we know. We know that there are 2 shirts still on the rack. And this is our unknown part. This is what was sold. Okay. So there were 6 shirts to start off on the rack. We knew that there were 2 left on the rack, which means 1, 2, 3, 4 got sold. Go ahead and fill in this number. Blank shirts were sold. And then use your number bond to fill in the subtraction number sentence. Okay, I'm moving on to the last one. Here we go. There were 9 children at the park. Some children went inside. 5 children stayed. How many children went inside? Okay, there's 9 children at the park. Some children went inside. 5 children stayed. I just put a number 5 up here. How many children went inside? Okay, 9 children at the park. Here we go. Draw 9 circles to represent the children at the park. I counted just to make sure I had 9. Make sure you have 9 too. Some children went inside. 5 children stayed. So that's the part we know. So let's circle the 5 that we know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 children that stayed at the park. Which means these were the children that went inside. It is now your job to do the number bond to match the picture, to write in how many children went inside, and to fill out the subtraction number sentence. When you're done, it goes in the done tub. If you need more time, put it in the to be finished tray.